Hi guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. My name is Taylor if you're new here. Today's video is a shop with me at HomeGoods, HomeSense, and World Market. And at the end of this video, I'm going to give you guys a whole haul on what I got, but stay tuned for that. I have just been watching so many of these shop with me videos. I decided to film one myself. I think they're so fun to watch and so relaxing too. It also really makes you want to go to your local HomeGoods and HomeSense. So if you guys end up going, let me know down in the comments and let me know what you find. Send me a DM on Instagram. It's linked down below. But without further ado, let's just get on into the video. So I started off my HomeSense trip in the lamp department because I have been looking for a bedside table lamp for so long now, and luckily this HomeSense was fully stocked with them. You never know what you're going to get when you walk into HomeSense, so super grateful for that. But I ended up picking out this one, and I only needed one bedside table lamp because we only have one bedside table, so this one was perfect. It's the perfect size I was going for. I love the colors of it, and it was super affordable. It's $24.99, and the texture was just amazing. Moving on into the furniture section, I am still looking for a coffee table and a TV stand for our new apartment, but didn't find any here. I did, however, find this really cute outdoor bench. It is supposed to be for outdoors, so they use like the plastic wicker, which it was really comfortable. It's super affordable at $99.99. I thought this would be really cute styled with some throw pillows even inside, and maybe a throw blanket, you know, throw a little tree on the side. It would be really cute. This little outdoor set is super cute. I would so get it if we need it, but we already have a table with some chairs. There was a lot of sectionals and couches and just so much outdoor furniture to choose from. I think a lot of people are definitely upgrading their outdoor furniture and even inside furniture because everybody in quarantine is probably sick of their homes by now. But yeah, nothing ended up catching my eye with a TV stand or a coffee table, but I saw a ton of benches, guys. I also saw this really pretty ottoman style bench. It would be really pretty to just put in an empty wall to fill up and decorate, or somebody could use this instead of a coffee table to put their feet up on. So I thought that was really nice. I also saw this really pretty wood bench, but honestly I've seen Pinterest pictures of people using this as a coffee table. Another bench that I saw was this one. I absolutely love anything that has rattan on it. I think I'm saying that right, but this would be super cute in a foyer or maybe at the end of somebody's bed. And also this side table. I never ended up seeing what the price was, but I just thought it was cool. This vase, guys, I have been buying way too many vases and vessels, oh my gosh, but I just had to pick this one up. It was by the same brand as another one that I recently just bought, but just a different style, so I just had to put it in my cart and I ended up buying it. Saw these really cute boho looking lanterns. We don't need them because we already have some lanterns, but I just thought they were really cute. Moving on to chairs, I saw a bunch of really nice chairs and bar stools at this location, and I always eye these chairs. I think they're so cute. They were on sale. One of them did have a scratch, but I just love them, and they could be a kitchen chair or a desk chair. Moving on into the art section, this mirror definitely caught my eye because it looks exactly like some of the antique mirrors people have been buying. I also browsed through some of the paintings, but honestly nothing really caught my eye at all. I am looking for an abstract piece of art for the living room or the bedroom. And I also went to the wicker basket aisle. I don't know what size I want to get yet because we haven't moved in, so I was just browsing at these, but I definitely know I want one for some throw blankets and some throw pillows. I just thought some of these were cute, but definitely that UGG one was way too expensive. I have seen so many people buying similar sculptures and busts like this, but those ones were huge. I just had to show you guys those. Moving on into the pillow section, I always get sucked up in here because I just love throw pillows. I am looking for some outdoor throw pillows, so that's what I was on the hunt for. That one is an outdoor pillow, and I ended up getting that one, so I'll show you some of the other ones that I ended up buying. I definitely want to look for a pop of color pillow to break up the black and white, but this HomeSense didn't have any. Also, side note, do you think some indoor pillows could be technically used as outdoor pillows? Let me know. I'm just curious. Some other pillows that I found were these ones. I loved the color of these. It's choppable, which I'm obsessed with. Any pillow I get has to be choppable. They're super affordable, and honestly, I've seen a bunch of these pillows in different variations of colors. If you're looking for a pop of color, this would be super nice because it's still muted enough, but honestly, it's really hard for me to commit to colors, so I did not end up getting them. These planters were really pretty. I thought that they were definitely affordable for the size of them, and there's also different variations of sizes that they did have, so I don't know, an outdoor tree would look so nice in one of these. This faux plant was definitely the vibe I'm going for, but it was $99.99, which is super expensive. I could definitely do that with one of my vessels that I already have. I went to HomeGoods next and I saw these really cool outdoor planters. They were super affordable and I just love the texture and the look of them. Also, while I was in HomeGoods, I did see the exact plates that I bought for the apartment. I love how simple and modern they look, and definitely check out your HomeGoods in case you guys are looking for them. I also saw these really cute pictures, and I definitely think throwing some faux greenery into them would make it look super cute as a decor piece. I also saw a bunch of these crystals, and I definitely want to pick one up, but not in the amethyst color, I believe is what it's called. Definitely looking for a white crystal. HomeGoods had some really nice mirrors here. I thought that this one was so different. I've never seen anything like it. It's definitely really boho and earthy, but if that's the vibe you're looking for, this one was so cool. The next store that I went to was World Market, and I've never been to a World Market before in person. I've always shopped online. So I was looking at the art selection and I thought these were super cool. I love the black and white colors. It's actually more of a cream off-white color, but I think it would be super cool for a neutral bedroom or even in the living room, or even a hallway. I am looking for a bunch of hallway decor inspiration because we do have a long hallway, so I do plan on decorating that in the future. World Market also had a ton of boho looking mirrors, so if you're looking for that vibe, again, definitely check out them as an option as well. Also, they have a ton of bathroom decor and towels, so I already have some bath mats, but I'm definitely looking for some nice hand towels for the bathroom. So I'm on the hunt for a living room rug, and this one definitely caught my eye. I loved the color and the look of it. I loved how vintage it looked. I also really liked this one. So if you guys are looking for some new rugs, definitely check out World Market. They have a ton of really great options and they're fairly affordable. I saw this set of really cute wicker baskets. I really liked this one, so I might go back there and get these once I figure out which size I want. Alright, so starting off with pillows and bedding, I'll show you guys the outdoor pillows that I got. So this one is just like a plain neutral square pillow. It has really pretty detailing with like the tassels. And I got a bunch of black and white right now. I'm trying to find a pop of color pillow, but like I said, that HomeSense didn't have any, so I'm still on the hunt for just like maybe a like burnt orange color just to break up all the black and white going on, because our deck railing is black and our chair and table is black and our cushions are like a cream taupey color, so I need a pop of color but haven't been able to find one yet. So this pillow was $16.99, and then this is the next one that I got. I thought this pattern was really pretty. This was $16.99. And then I also got this lumbar pillow too. It just looks like that. And this was also $16.99. Okay, so I've been on the hunt for a throw blanket that's like oversized that will fit my queen bed. So I picked this one up. It's just a cream, or not a cream, this is like more of a tan taupey color, and then it has these tassels at the bottom. I thought it was really pretty. I like the texture of this, and it's fairly soft and comfy to like cuddle in, so I can throw this either on the bed if I decide to. Like, that might be a lot of tan, so I might get like a patterned one. I'm not sure yet, but I can always throw this on our ivory couch that we're getting. So yeah, either way will work. And this was $24.99. So moving on to the lamp and decor pieces, I did pick up that lamp that I showed you guys. It's on my dresser table, not dresser, it's on my side table right now. But I did notice that the lamp shade is like crooked, so I think I'm gonna return it and try to find the same exact one, or go back to that same HomeSense and then get that second one. But I think the reason why I didn't get that second one is because there was like a little scratch on it. So we'll see guys. So like I showed you guys in the video, I ended up buying, I ended up buying this vessel vase right here. It actually matches the one that I also got back there. I'll show you guys that next. But this was $14.99, and I plan on, honestly I don't know where I'm gonna put this yet, but I'll find a spot for it once we get more furniture in. I think maybe like on the TV stand, or like on a side table, or in the kitchen. I'm not sure yet. Next one that I picked up, I am obsessed with this. If you guys can see, yeah, there we go. Look at that pretty texture. It's like such a great Pottery Barn dupe. There's a little scratch on this right here. It shows like the terracotta color of the actual inside, but honestly I'll just like turn it this way so no one can see it. But I definitely plan on putting some faux olive branches in here and then putting it on the kitchen island. It's gonna look so pretty. And this was $19.99, so this was super affordable. So this vessel actually matches the smaller one that I just showed you guys. I just switched out the pieces that I had over there and wanted to show you guys, but it has the same textured look, and it was $29.99. This one is so heavy duty, and it just looks so good on a dresser, on the ground, with some faux greenery in it. So I plan on probably styling it on my dresser the way it was and keeping it over there, but it's just so pretty. I could not pass it up. And then I also found this matching pitcher style vessel vase. Let me see if I can show you guys. So it matches that other vase that I just got at HomeSense. It has the same like little stripes with the speckles, and I don't know, I just thought it was so pretty. I loved the little handle and the spout, and it's just gonna look so good. This was $16.99, so if you guys are looking for this one or the other one, definitely check out your local HomeGoods because it's probably there. And then lastly, I picked up this planter. It just looks like that. Look at how beautiful that is. I loved the color and how like old and vintage it looked. This was $24.99, so it was super affordable. I plan on putting either a real plant in here or a faux olive branch tree or something like that, or a more tropical tree or fiddle leaf tree. I don't know yet. Alright guys, so that is it for today's video. Let me know if you enjoyed this style video and if you would like to see more of these. I definitely plan on going to HomeSense and HomeGoods a lot more once we move in. We move in this coming weekend. Make sure you guys subscribe and stay tuned for all of the moving vlogs, all of like the decorating, organizing vlogs. I cannot wait. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Yeah, 3 hours. get you a bus from Tony. Just put it.